How many of you guys are still focusing on all of the wrong things, allowing yourself to get in your head, not seeing what's exactly going on in the charts to be able to allow you guys to make money? Now, what we're looking at here is the NQ futures. We're looking at the 1 hour time frame. I want you guys just to kind of quickly assess this chart. This chart's going all the way back to last Friday, going back to last Thursday, even including some price action from last Thursday. What is the chart doing, right? I want you to really look at the chart. It shouldn't take too long to kind of decipher, is the chart in an uptrend, or is the chart in a downtrend, or is the chart essentially flat? Is it going nowhere? I think you can quickly see that the chart is in a visible 1 hour uptrend. Okay, so if the chart's in a visible 1 hour uptrend, what should we as traders do? What should we tell ourselves? What should we get through our heads, our minds, so that when we are on the smaller time frame, when we are looking for trades, what should we be reminding ourselves? Stick with the trend. A lot of times we see a pullback, we think that we're overextended, you think that the market's overbought, you're waiting for this mysterious magic move to happen, but all you're doing is fighting yourself. You're going back and forth inside of here, going against what's going on technically. If you sit, allow the trade to develop, allow the longs to play out, you'll have much more success. You'll be a lot more consistent. You'll also be able to just allow all of those anxious thoughts to kind of leave, right? Because a lot of traders are sitting here and they're stressed out. They're trying to make money. You're trying to force trades. You're trying to find that particular setup that's going to make money. And you're chasing candlesticks back and forth and back and forth. Guys, take a step back, relax, take a deep breath. Look at the chart. Is it moving up or is it moving down? If it's moving up, let's sit back and wait for our setup to align with the way that the overall direction of the chart is going. So if we kind of go to today's price action and we pull up a 5-minute time frame, well, let's kind of keep that same narrative in play. So if we're looking to avoid the shorts and we're looking to stick with the longs, well, let's potentially look at some potential longs that we should have taken today. Now, we're going to ignore the downwards. Why? Because the overall chart is telling us that the trend is higher. So even though, yes, maybe off the numbers this morning that came out at 5:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, maybe there was some money to be made on the short side. But why do you want to go against the trend? Why are you struggling internally to just do the things that you need to do? Why do you want to force trades? What are you in a hurry for? I want you guys to really sit down, close your eyes, turn off everything when this video is done. I want you to think about, why are you in a rush to make money? Because this business is a business that is going to be here for a long time. It's been here way before you. It's going to continue to be here long after you are gone. There's no rush to pass a prop firm evaluation. There's no rush to take a payout. There's no rush to double your small account size from 1,000 to 2,000, 2,000 to 10,000. Those days, those winning trends, those winning cycles, those hot streaks, they're going to come. In the meantime, what you have to do is take a little bit of money, put it in your pocket. Take a little bit more money, put it in your pocket. You have to continue to do this over and over and over until you get to a certain point, a certain level where you've taken enough trades, you have the comfortability level to kind of react to the markets in a manner where you're not going to be stressed. You're not going to be chasing each and every single candlestick. You're not going to be looking for the reversals. Why are we looking for reversals in an uptrend? Why not ignore the reversals and continue with the pattern? Why are we going to ignore the trend and take counter trend moves? Well, because if we pull back, I'm going to make money. Well, because I took a short position and I did make some money. But how much are you going to do that? How often is that going to work? Have you done this for the past 20 years and you're successful? If you are and you have, then congratulations, more power to you. Continue to do what you're doing. But if you have yet to take a payout, if you have yet to put money in your pocket, if you have yet to break even on your trading account, why do you make things harder for yourself? Don't make things harder for yourself. For a long time, I struggled and I battled with making things harder for myself. I had to learn. I had to want to make the change. I had to hit rock bottom. I had to make the decision to not do what was keeping me in the same place. I want you guys to kind of understand that. Stop doing things that are continuously keeping you stagnant. They're continuously keeping you in the same place. Once you understand and you realize that the cost of not doing the right thing is far more expensive than doing the right thing, even though you might be wrong here and there. The cost of not doing the right thing is far greater than, having someone to tell you, put their hand on your shoulder and kind of help you see the light, right? A lot of you guys are looking for the specific strategy, the specific risk management program, the specific, return to your investment, the specific asset to trade that's hot today, instead of investing in things that are really going to matter. The things that are really going to matter is education. The things that are really going to matter is understanding emotion. The things that are really going to matter is having people to talk to. The things that are going to really matter is doing the same things the right way each and every single day. When are you going to learn that what you are doing is not working? Because if it was working, you would not have landed on this video. If it was working, you would not be looking on YouTube. You would be trading. You would be spending time with your family. You would be on vacation. You would be at your other 9-to-5 job. If what you were doing and what you have been doing has proven to work, and I don't just mean it worked last week once, it worked 3 months ago, it worked 5 years ago. If what you are doing is not working week over week, month over month, quarter over quarter, what is it going to take for you to make the change? What is it going to take for you to accept the fact that what you're doing is not working and start fixing the things that are? Let's look at the charts really quickly here. If you look at the first setup that presents itself when we close back over the 20 SMA, that time was 6:55 in the morning Pacific Standard Time. We do confirm at 7 a.m. And the risk on this particular trade was 40 points. Okay. To everyone out there who thinks 40 points is way too much risk to put on any one given trade, size down. Play one micro contract, it's $80 loss. Play two micro contracts, it's $160 loss. What are we going to target? We're going to target a 1-to-1. We get 40 points on this run up here. We come into this downwards trend line that I drew on the screen. We pull back. We're going to ignore those short positions. We're going to look for the break on the next play. The next play happens here at 9:30. No confirmation. That's okay. In Evolution Traders on the live stream today, we took the breakout of the downtrend. We took this 20 SMA play, immediately popped, and we got in and out in one candlestick. In one candlestick, you can make really, really good money. In one particular trade, you can make really, really good money. Now, did you have to sit on your hands for 2-3 hours before this play happened? Sure. Were you chasing trades off the bell? No. Were you stressed? No. You're waiting. You're allowing trades to come to you. Start allowing things to come to you instead of chasing things. The more you chase something, the faster it runs away from you. I want you guys to really understand that. The more you chase something, the faster it's going to run away from you. You have to do the right thing. You have to practice the right thing, and things will start to gravitate towards you, which is wins. Wins will start gravitating towards you. Profits will start gravitating towards you. Less emotions will start gravitating towards you. Less stress will start gravitating towards you. Start doing the things that you need to do. If you guys would need some help, maybe you want to join a team, maybe you actually want to buckle down going into 2024 and actually start to learn what it is and what it takes to be a profitable trader. My link is down in the description box below. I would love to have you guys trade with me. If not, that's completely fine. Continue to do the things that you're doing, and let's see the outcome that you produce on your own in the next 3 months. It's okay to ask for help. It's okay to admit that you're wrong. I do it all the time. I do it every single day. I take trades, they don't work out. I have to admit that I'm wrong. It's okay. It doesn't mean that I'm a bad trader. It doesn't mean that I'm not going to be profitable at the end of the week. It doesn't mean that I will not be profitable at the end of the quarter or the year. Why is it so hard for you, someone who is not taking money out of the markets consistently, to understand that it's okay to ask for help, that it's okay to admit that you're wrong, that it's okay to change your strategy, that it's okay to change your bias, that it's okay to let everything go. Hope you guys resonated with this video. If you did, please share, like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.